Today, we're making a super delicious and rich Malaysian-style curry beef brisket with potatoes. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to make a restaurant-quality curry dish. Let's get started. Start by soaking the beef brisket in cold water for about 5 minutes. Now cut it into large chunks about 2 inches thick. For the spices, we'll need cinnamon, star anise, curry powder, and paprika. A lot of people ask me what kind of curry powder I use. I get mine from a local spice store where they premix the spices. Usually, Malaysian curry powder is a blend of cumin, turmeric, fennel, chili, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, peppercorn, galangal, and curry leaves. Now set your Instant Pot to saute and add some oil. Once it's hot, add the beef brisket and give it a light sear. Now we can add some of the curry powder and continue to saute. Once it's aromatic, add water, salt, sugar, paprika. The reason we add the paprika later is that so it doesn't burn. Burning paprika can give it a bitter taste. Cinnamon stick, and star anise. Now cover and set to the meat function for 40 minutes. If you don't have an Instant Pot, just simmer it gently on the stovetop for 1 to 1.5 hours, just until the beef brisket is tender. While we wait, we can prep the other ingredients. Cut the onions, peel the garlic, and slice the chili. I like mine medium spicy, so I remove some of the seeds. Now blend the onions, garlic, and chili together. Now smash the lemongrass. Then peel and cut the potatoes. Once the beef brisket is done, release the pressure and scoop out the meat. Take out the cinnamon and star anise. Add the potatoes to the Instant Pot so they can soak up some of that flavor. In a separate wok over medium-high heat, add oil and saute the blended ingredients. Add the rest of the curry powder and saute until aromatic. Now remove the potatoes from the Instant Pot. If you want, skim off some of the floating oil on top. Then pour the cooking liquid into the wok. Add coconut milk, salt, and sugar. We're creating a base curry sauce, so once we add everything back, it can simmer and soak up all the flavor. Now add the potatoes, lemongrass, and beef brisket. Here's a secret ingredient. coconut cream. It not only makes the curry richer, but also helps emulsify some of the oil, making it look and taste more appetizing. Let it simmer gently for about 30 minutes. Brisket is one of those things you can't rush. Make sure not to overcook the potatoes. If they start to melt, the curry's flavor changes. If they're done before the brisket, just take them out and add them back later. After 30 minutes, it's thick, rich, and full of flavor. Serve with rice or roti canai and enjoy. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.